Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So this analysis is for 31st March only. You will see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 1st April 2021. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and please do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And I would like to mention one thing here. Instead of just providing the buy and sell signals, I try to explain why you should buy and where you should buy, why you should sell and where you should sell. I try to explain the logic and reason behind, because the main purpose and motto of this channel is to teach you, to make you a better trader. I want you to become an independent trader so that you can trade on your own after 2 3 months. That's why I try to explain all the things. And yes, I bring videos one day in advance because I want you not to miss any good opportunity in the market. And as I mentioned, this is not a signal providing channel. So see, there are certain levels in the market that do not change. Okay, so if I make the video today or tomorrow, it doesn't matter. The demand and supply zone will remain the same. So this is the main reason. Anyways, let's jump to the chart. Okay, as you can see, yes, market is trading at 1.733. This is the current market price. Let me take out the pencil. This is the current market price. And as you have, or if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have short the market and you are in a good profit right now. And if you are looking for fresh opportunity, then you'll have to wait a little. Okay, you'll have to wait a little because if you have got some risk appetite and if you want to take an entry, then you can enter right now. But if you are looking for a proper entry, like the previous one that I told you here, then you can wait for the stochastic RSI. Okay, right now you can see the stochastic RSI is in middle. Just wait for stochastic RSI to go to the oversold level and come to the overbought level again. Yes, it's a long journey, but if you are looking for a better trade, a better opportunity, yes, then you'll have to wait. Because see, I already recommended yesterday that you can easily enter here just below this line. Okay, and if you have entered, then you are in a good profit. And if you're looking for an opportunity, then you'll have to wait for the stochastic RSI to come to the overbought level, and when it will be going down again. Okay, when it will be going down again like this, then you can go for the sell order. Just make sure that you look at the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is about to move from the overbought zone to the oversold zone, and it is still trading below this level 1.1761, okay, then you can easily short the market. This level was this level was the support of the market. Right now it has become the resistance, so the support became the resistance now. Okay. And on the other hand, if market goes up a little bit here, okay, if our market goes up a little bit, then also you can short the market. If you see that yes, it is getting resistance from the 1.1761 level, and in case market crosses this level, okay, in case market crosses this level and goes up, okay, market goes up like this, crosses this resistance, then you just wait for the market to hit the 50 moving average. Okay, when market will be near the 50 moving average, just observe the price, because we can see that here and here 50 moving average acted as a resistance for the market. So if market goes up, then there is a chance that yes, 50 moving average will act as a resistance for the market again. But as of now, okay, if you are in a trade right now, enjoy the profit. If you are not in a trade right now, then you'll have to wait. You'll have to wait for the market. You'll have to wait for the market to come to the overbought zone and then come down. Go down, then only that will be favorable enough for you to enter. If you want to take risk, you can. If you want to enter right now, you can enter, but your stop loss will be much higher and your position size will be smaller. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.